Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Sign into your Google account and confirm you can access recovery email or phone. Once signed in, make sure you have your smartphone or a backup phone and an optional security key nearby. Now open the account menu, tap Security, then select two-step verification and choose Get Started. Follow the prompts to re-enter your password. This proves it's you. This first step sets up the trust layer, so later devices need a second proof to access your account. Once done with the setup screen, pick your primary verification method. Google Prompt is easiest, but you can use SMS, an authenticator app, or a physical security key for stronger protection. Make sure to add at least one backup option, backup codes, a secondary phone number, or an alternate email, so you aren't locked out. After adding methods, test them. Sign out and sign back in, then approve a prompt or enter a code. This verification confirms configuration and avoids surprises later. To finish, print or securely store your backup codes and link any trusted devices you use daily. Only mark a device as trusted if it's private. Enable a security key if you want the highest security. Make sure sync and time settings are correct on authenticator apps because incorrect device time breaks codes. If you encounter lockout, use a backup code, a registered secondary phone, or Google's account recovery flow to regain access. Keep those recovery options updated so recovery is painless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.